SPH4U, energy and momentum. 3.4, momentum and impulse. The linear momentum of an object is the product of its mass and its instantaneous velocity, and its unit is kilograms times meters per second. So it's given by the equation P is equal to mv. So note that P is a vector. So momentum can also be broken up into its x and y components. So momentum in the x is equal to mvx. So the velocity in the x direction. Likewise for y, momentum in the y is equal to mvy. So impulse is the change in momentum. So it can be given by two equations. Delta P is equal to P2 minus P1. It can also be given by the equation impulse is equal to sum of the forces times delta T. So this is a good example of a question that could use both momentum and impulse. So a bat hits a ball with mass 152 grams with a velocity of 37.5 meters per second east. The collision takes 1.15 milliseconds and results in a final velocity of 49.5 meters per second west. So first we need to find out the initial momentum. So P is equal to mv1. So that's equal to 0.152. So 152 grams is 0.152 kilograms. And this is times 37.5. So that is equal to 5.7 kilograms meters per second east. So what is the average force applied to the ball by the bat? So for here we need to set a reference frame. So let's set up and east as positive. So delta F times delta sigma F times delta T is equal to delta P. So F is equal to delta P over T. So that is equal to mv2 minus mv1 all over T. So if we factor out the m, you get 0.152 times negative 49.5, opposite direction, minus 73.5 all over 0.0015 is equal to the force. So force is equal to negative 11.499 newtons. So that's also equal to negative 1.15 times 10 to the 4 newtons east, or 1.15 times 10 to the 4 newtons west. So that is the force applied to the ball by the bat.